Morning, stat students. Just wanted to show you a couple of problems that I thought were key for you to know how to do. And I've seen you struggle with some of these, both computationally as well as just knowing what to do. So here we have a pyramid, and it is a regular pyramid that has a base that is a hexagon. We need to remember, if we're dealing with a hexagon, there are a number of ways, and I showed you a video of myself solving for the area of a hexagon in 4 different ways. Now, with this hexagon, we have length sides of 6 all the way around. Now, I think remembering that a hexagon is comprised of equilateral triangles is the easiest way to do this. And so you just need to remember that all of the sides of the radiuses and sides are all 6. So they're equilateral triangles. So for the formula for the volume, you have 1/3 the base area times the height. In this problem, they've told us that the height is 7.5. And we have this 1/3 out front. Now we have to find the area of this base. Well, if we use the equilateral formula, equilateral triangle formula, it's 6 squared radical 3 divided by 4. That would be the area of this base, but only one of the triangles. I would need to multiply that by another 6 because there would be 6 triangles. So understand that, know that. This is 36 divided by 4 would give me 9 radical 3, and then that 6 to complete that area for the base. And so we're going to have 1/3 54 radical 3 times 7.5. So 1/3 of 54 is 18. So we have 18 radical 3 times 7.5. And I would then use my calculator. I could have used my calculator sooner, but I chose not to. 7.5 times 18, second square root of 3. And it gives me 233.8. And that is the final answer. So there's number 13 in last night's homework. So just be aware of that. I wanted you to see that. So that's number 13. Now I want to go to number 19 as well. And I'm not going to solve this whole thing for you. It's a cone, so it should be fairly easy for you, except for one thing. Again, how would I start? How would I approach? I know that the area or the volume of a cone is 1/3 base area times the height. Well, the base area is pretty easy. It's a circle, so it's pi r squared. So in this case, pi times 8 squared. The problem is this height. Height is right here. And so that's what we're looking for. Now, we have a triangle here with an angle and a side. That looks like this. So we are looking for this side right here. And so opposite and adjacent would mean that I need to use tangent. So the tangent of 20 would be equal to 8 over h. And remember, when h, or the variable, is on the bottom, we interchange these. So h would be equal to 8 divided by the tangent of 20. When you get that value, you're going to put that in there. that should really help you find that volume. You had the answer. I just wanted to make sure you saw that set up so you knew how to find each. So that's the brief video for today. I'm gonna do another video doing number 34 and number 52 for today's work that's due tomorrow. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes.